Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Aaron from the Hair Center of Turkey Clinic. I work as a specialist in anesthesiology and reanimation. Today, I will answer the question, is it possible to have a hair transplant if you have thyroid disease? Thyroid disease is a condition that occurs due to a functional disorder of the thyroid gland. It can manifest as either hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. In other words, the thyroid gland may function slowly or it may be working too fast. Hair loss can be seen in thyroid gland disorders. However, we only accept these patients for hair transplantation, especially during their euthyroid periods. That is, it is safer for us to perform hair transplantation when thyroid function tests have returned to normal ranges. If you also have a thyroid function disorder and are considering a hair transplant, please consult us. When consulting us, please share your most recent blood test results, especially your TSH, free T4, and free T3 values. If you have any questions about this topic, please let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you.